Nice body. All right, what's up everybody? I'm out here, beautiful San Diego Bay. Just launched at the Shelter Island boat launch. I'm heading out to the left. I'm gonna fish this little area with these sailboats, but then I'm gonna go actually back into the marina on this side of the peninsula behind you know, those restaurants like Catch, and hopefully I can catch with the sea some fish. And yeah, I'm rolling with the bigger than normal 5/8 ounce hookup baits, brown and silver. It's beautiful out here today. The GoPro has it pretty zoomed out, but I got a beautiful view of the city, the skyline. Let's get it. The current is actually, I'm going against the current right now, which is what I usually like to do. I like to cast into the current, let it drift back to me. Let's go. Come on, baby. Okay, bro. Nice going. Okay. You got yourself unhooked though. Good job. Hi, buddy. It's a big boy. Stop. Ew, what'd you just get on me, bro? Gross. Stop puking. Little shrimp. He spat up a little shrimp. Whew. Fish number 2 of the day. Little spotty action. What's up, buddy? Easy unhook job, don't you worry, bud. You're barely hooked. Bye-bye. Oh. Just turned the GoPro off and then I hooked a little guy. It's okay, buddy. Take it easy.